Being too clingy can be a tough habit to break, but you can do it with a bit of patience and self love. Start by addressing any trust or anxiety issues that might make it hard for you to give people space. For instance, maybe your behavior has something to do with a past relationship where you were hurt, or it might stem from stress in your life that you're struggling to cope with. Whatever the cause, try to be aware of these issues and notice when they're affecting your behavior around other people. Try talking to someone you trust about what you're feeling, like a good friend, a family member, or a therapist. Being clingy can also stem from a lack of confidence, so work on building yourself up. Practice positive self-talk and focus on doing things that help you feel good about yourself, like working on hobbies you love, learning new skills, or supporting a cause you care about. While you're working on yourself, be mindful of how you behave in relationships too. For instance, if you've recently met someone new, remember to pace yourself and take it slow. Let them take the initiative and invite you to hang out sometimes, instead of always making the first move yourself. As you get to know them better, make sure to give them space, both physically and emotionally. Take time to do things on your own or with other people in your life, and encourage them to do the same thing. Most importantly, be patient with yourself. It will take time and practice to change how you relate to others, so don't get discouraged if you slip up sometimes.